Hello everyone and welcome back. News headlines in English for 1st October. And first of all, national news. PM Modi to launch various projects worth over 83,300 crore in Jharkhand on Wednesday. Government launched PM E-Drive subsidy scheme with 10,900 crore outlay. Supreme Court ordered IIT Dhanbad to admit student who lost seat after failing to pay fee on time. Air Marshal Amarpreet Singh took over as new IAF chief. Now international news. Iran will not leave Israel's criminal acts unanswered, foreign ministry said. Britain to become first G7 country to end coal power as last plant closed. US President Joe Biden approved $567 million defense assistance to Taiwan. Vietnam to free nearly 3,800 prisoners in amnesty. Cash strapped. Sri Lanka recorded first deflation since 1995. Now, some sports news. Virat Kohli became fourth player to complete 27,000 international runs. Champions Trophy 2025 government will decide on India's travel to Pakistan, BCCI said. Yashasvi Jaiswal, Rohit Sharma on fire as India smashed 5 world records in a single test. Business related news. Key infra sectors growth contracts 1.8% in August. India's current account deficit in quarter 1 financial year 25 widened to $9.7 billion. May ease public procurement rules for innovative product manufacturers, Piyush Goyal said. Centre decided to maintain status quo of return on small savings scheme. And that's all in news. Thank you.